YouTube. Good Sunday afternoon, that is. No, it's not what you think. She did not beat me up. It's a cold sore. It's been really cold this week. We even had some sleet and ice on the ground. That's the reason why I think I've been a little bit on suspension as far as making a video. And of course, today we're gonna do randonauting. We're gonna do it a little bit in the daytime and a little bit in the nighttime, it looks like. First of all, I've got to go get gas, and then I got to head to the last location that I was at, or around the last location, because I don't know if I can find that park. I'd never been to that park, and I don't know exactly where it's at. I'll get around close to where it was at. I do kind of got a general area that I know it was at. We'll turn it on there. I'll talk to you guys when we get there. And until then, like I said, I gotta go get gas, and then that is it. Then we'll be on our way. Oh yeah, by the way, I got coffee. Description of what randonauting is. I'm going to go ahead and actually do that again. Randonauting is an actual app that you can download on your phone from like Google Play. If most of you are thinking that I'm putting in my own GPS and just going to random places, that's not what this is. What this is you give a thought and you manifest this thought into the randonauting. And what the randonauting does is they give you these quantum location points that you are trying to manifest to. I don't know exactly how that works. Most of the time, whenever it's sending me to places, it's not somewhere that I'm putting into my own GPS. It's what randonauting is sending me to as far as GPS coordinates. It sends me there with GPS. So I just wanted to kind of make sure that everybody knows what randonauting is, because maybe you do, maybe you don't, but I just kind of wanted to I guess clarify it a little bit. That way you guys know that I'm giving you pretty much random content. Why did I not make my channel name Random Brian? I've made it to the closest part. I just cannot find this park anywhere around here. Remember, Texas is a very big state and the cities are big and windy. If you've never been there, you've only been there once, you may not find it again. So I'm going to open up the randonauting app from right here. I know I'm kind of close somewhere. Anyways, I'm going to get on here. I'm going to generate my randonauting, because this is what you have to do. Because you open your Randonaut app, which will be the owl. You'll generate. I'm going to use void. Then it's going to ask me for the radius, which we're going to go 10,000. That means that it's 10,000 meters, which is it could take me 25-30 minutes to get to each destination. Then how many points do we want to look for? We're going to look for 3, and then we're going to start, and then I am actually going to manifest something to do with running water. You know that I love fountains and stuff like that. If you haven't seen my video of Freedom Fountain, just look into the videos, watch it. You know that I actually love to see like fountains and stuff. Maybe it'll lead me to a fountain, maybe not. Let's see what it does. So we're going to start from here for our first randonauting point. Let's see how far away it is. It's only 8 minutes away. Let's do it. We're going to go there.
Head south towards Sarah Brooks Drive.
We're going to listen to the you know who. Let's go to the first one and see where it sends us to. Made it to my first destination. Now what I do want to say is it's only taking me to a little cul-de-sac here that's actually some nice homes. What does it say? North Texas Jeep Club. Okay. Here's the weird thing. I do want to say this. We were wanting running water, correct? Look at the name of the street. See it? Watercrest Court. Watercrest Drive. Randonautica may be doing something that it's supposed to. Maybe that's just the first point of what it's going to do for us today. Let's see. I'm actually going to stop right here in front of this house. Hope I don't get shot. Put on the second location and see where it's taking us from there. Now, if I get shot, let's go ahead and make it on camera. We're 11 minutes away, but we're still in the same location. I don't know why Randonautica loves the city of Keller. Well, let's get it started and let's go to the second point. I'm interested to see where it'll take us.
Drive towards Cypress Drive, then turn right onto Cypress Drive.
That's what we're going to end up doing. It is starting to get dark because I'm starting to get a little more cool, even though it's 54 degrees. At 6:25, the sun is kind of down. I did bring my light. We'll see how things go. Let's get to the second point. So, okay, I can tell you right now that it's getting dark. Whenever I'm looking at my GPS, it'll go from daytime to dark. I don't know if all of you know that. With that being said, I'm gonna pull out my light. I'm just gonna put it on one light. But this is where it sent me over here. I've seen signs that say no trespassing. What I'm actually going to do with you guys is actually go up the road a little ways and turn back around, come this way to see what maybe we can see. I don't see anything to do with running water. Let's see. Who knows? I'm gonna put this down because I'm on a busy street and I think this could actually cause accidents. I'm gonna get up here with a little bit of speed. This is a no trespassing zone, but I just don't understand within the radius of where we're going of anything that has to do with running water or water fountains. I'll turn around right here. I wonder if this is a water plant. It looks something like electricity or something. But as you see, we'll go ahead and give a little light. But this is where it's showing that it sent me to. See the no trespassing, no dumping, property under surveillance. I doubt it. I still don't feel like doing anything that's illegal. But yeah, I'm having to travel a little bit faster, everyone, because I do have a car by me, but he can get around me. Then again, I'm coming up to where all this would pretty much end for me. Now, the only thing that kind of got me out of this a little bit, just so everybody is aware, I'll put the light back on me, was one of the roads before I had to take a left here was called Big Bear Creek Parkway. Again, creek is in the name of it. On the other side, had it told me to take a left, it would have sent me to a park. So I'm gonna go a little bit out of my way to go to this Bear Creek Park to see if there's any kind of water fountain or something over there. Maybe randonauting might be off. I have no idea. Let's see. Well, it looks like I was right on base. I don't know what's going on here. It showed Bear Creek Park was this way. There's some kind of work out here being done on it. I don't know if you can see. This road will not let you do anything. There's no turnaround or anything. It just prevents you from going over there. Well, I guess it took me to the spot it wanted to take me to. I'm gonna put on the third stop. Let's find it. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? We're gonna be done with that one. We're gonna go backwards and we're gonna go to our third destination. It's actually 21 minutes away in Colleyville. Interesting. Let's find out about this one. I just hope I didn't mess my own randonauting up by coming over here. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it don't. But I haven't seen anything around here that's meant for anything. There's a water fountain out that direction. I just left from where we were coming from. I took a right and came down to the end of the road here. There's a water fountain down there. Call this interesting or not? It took me to all kinds of water fountain stuff.